If your mornings don't feel as sharp as they used to, you're not alone. Many people start their day with a cup of coffee and assume that's all they need to stay energized. But what if that same cup could do more than just wake you up? Imagine if it could support your energy, focus, circulation, and overall daily performance. Stay with me because today I'm going to share exactly what you can add to your morning coffee to transform it into a real game changer for your health and confidence. And this isn't hype or guesswork. It's backed by real research and proven results that thousands of people are already experiencing. Coffee by itself is good. It wakes you up, sharpens your mind, and gives you that quick energy kick. But plain coffee has a big flaw. It gives you a spike, then a crash. That's why by 10 a.m., most people are already reaching for their second cup, chasing that first high. The problem is, coffee alone isn't addressing the deeper issues that happen as we get older. Blood flow slows down, testosterone drops, and energy isn't as steady as it used to be. The good news? With just a few natural additions to your coffee, you can change that completely. Let's start with cinnamon. Not the cheap stuff you sprinkle on toast, but real Ceylon cinnamon. A small amount in your coffee helps control blood sugar, which is critical for circulation. High blood sugar damages tiny blood vessels, the ones responsible for healthy performance. Cinnamon keeps your levels steady, which means better energy and stronger blood flow. And here's a bonus. It helps your body produce more nitric oxide, the same molecule medications like Viagra work on. The result? Smoother energy, no crash, and better performance throughout the day. Now imagine mixing in pure cocoa powder, not sugary hot chocolate, but dark, unsweetened cocoa. Cocoa is packed with flavonoids that boost nitric oxide naturally. That means wider, healthier blood vessels and easier circulation. In fact, studies show cocoa can improve blood flow by up to 30%. It also lifts your mood. Those feel-good chemicals kick in and you feel more alive, more focused, and yes, more confident. Add this to your coffee and suddenly it's not just a morning drink. It's fuel for your body and your mind. Another powerful addition is maca powder, sometimes called natural Peruvian Viagra. Unlike stimulants that give quick bursts, maca works with your body, helping it produce hormones naturally. It supports testosterone, energy, and even fertility. Most men notice a difference in just a few weeks, not an instant hit, but real, sustainable improvement. The taste is nutty, a little like malt, and it blends surprisingly well with coffee. Over time, it's like flipping the lights back on. More drive, more clarity, more stamina. Then we have coconut oil or MCT oil. At first, it sounds strange, but when blended into coffee, it creates a creamy, rich drink that powers you for hours. Unlike regular fats, MCTs go straight to the liver and convert into energy. No crash, no mid-morning hunger. Even better, they support healthy testosterone production because your body needs good fats to make hormones. Guys who switch to this style of coffee report sharper focus, longer energy, and better gym performance. The trick is blending it well. Done right, it tastes like a latte from a coffee shop. Finally, don't underestimate ginger. Fresh or powdered, ginger fires up circulation, reduces inflammation, and even supports testosterone production. One study showed nearly a 20% increase after regular use. Plus, it adds a warm, spicy kick to your coffee that wakes up your system in a whole new way. Think of it like flipping on an internal switch. Smoother blood flow, better energy, sharper focus. Now, you don't need to add all of these at once. Start small. Try cinnamon for a week, then add cocoa. Mix and match until you find your perfect blend. The key isn't to overcomplicate your mornings. It's to turn something you already do every day into an advantage. Coffee doesn't just have to be a wake-up call.